In the skies of modern warfare, a new contest is unfolding. A small, unmanned machine versus a multi-million-dollar fighter. Today we answer a question that worries militaries worldwide. Can drones bring down fighters? Fighters are engineered for speed and maneuverability, radar reduction, and advanced weapons. Drones are smaller, cheaper, scalable, and can carry out missions without risking a pilot. Fighters have speed, maneuverability, and active defenses, but they're expensive and vulnerable to missiles and ground systems. Drones excel at endurance, pinpoint strikes, and swarm tactics. However, they lack protection, have limits on speed and payload, and rely heavily on communications. Scenario 1. A surprise drone strike on a landing aircraft. Higher chance to cause serious damage. Scenario 2. A synchronized drone swarm attacks an aircraft in flight. The equation changes. Jamming, repeated strikes, and system disruption can have major effects. Two decisive factors: distance between drone and fighter, and the quality of defensive electronics and missile systems. Electronic warfare can be the game changer. If a drone can blind a fighter's radar or sever its data link, it creates an attack window. Active defenses, missile intercepts, jammers, and advanced guidance reduce the odds of a successful strike. Modern history shows small systems or low-cost weapons sometimes tipping the balance, but bringing down a modern fighter in open aerial combat is much harder. Usually, tactical conditions plus electronic and numerical superiority decide the outcome. The equation is shifting. Upgrades in electronic shielding, AI for swarm control, and directed energy weapons could flip the script. Soon it's less who shoots whom, and more who controls the electronic battlefield and the data. The takeaway? Yes, drones can contribute to downing fighters, but only through a mix of tactics, numbers, and electronic dominance. The real fight today is over information and systems. If you liked the video, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Tell us in the comments, are drones the future of air warfare or a supporting tool?